ePhoto tutorial. Let's get started. Step 1. Installing the software. Type the URL into the search bar or find the link in the manual. Select the appropriate driver for your operating system and click Download. Complete the installation process. Step 2. Connecting the scanner. Plug in the data cable followed by the power cord. Turn it on and start enjoying. Step 3. Getting started. Locate the ePhoto icon to launch the program. Open up the front cover and remove any tape and protective styrofoam. Close it back up when you're done. You must calibrate your scanner before using it for the first time. The calibration sheet can be found in a craft envelope. Put the calibration sheet between the engraved marks. Make sure you keep the calibration sheet safely for future use. Have fun preserving your memories.